guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're fine. I hope you're cute. I hope everything is fine. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about watch hours, how to get your watch hours on your channel. Yes, so that you'll be able to monetize. Yes. So the first thing you need to do to get your watch hours is for you to post long form videos. Yes, videos like 11 minute, 12-minute videos. You'll be able to get your watch hours. So the second thing you need to do is for you to start going live. If you start going live on your channel, you will get a lot of watch hours. Yes, start going live. So you'll be able to get all those views. Those views are very, very important in case you don't know. Make sure you get a lot of views on your channels, like your videos. Make sure that you go and make long videos, you get a lot of views. If you get a lot of views, the second thing that you need to do to get your watch time hours is for you to post shorts on your YouTube channel. Make sure that you post shorts on your YouTube channel. Yes, shorts normally help people to get watch hours too. Yes, from the views, you will get subscribers. From the subscribers, you will get watch hours. They will be watching your videos. In case you don't know, make sure that you post shorts on your videos. You can turn your long form videos to short. You can make shorts on your channel. Make the shorts should be unique and interesting. Yes, from there, you have a stepping point. So guys, if this video is very helpful for you, make sure you you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will be able to be notified and watch my videos. Yes, thank you so much guys. I will see you all in my next videos. I love you. Bye.